Mitrom and Bandhuvam, welcome to South Asia Maps Education Channel. Your presenter Dr. J. Reddy, Joggari Tirupati Reddy. Mitrulara, today we are continuing our Baghelkhand series, which is the northeast part of bigger, greater historic Madhya Pradesh region province. This is part 3. In this part, we will be looking at 12 or so broader physiographic regions of historic Baghelkhand region of central India. This is the part 3, 12 physiographic regions. This is the bird's eye view, Vihanga Vikshanam. We will take a broad eye view of the physiographic regions of Baghelkhand, that is the Rewa, Sidhi, Shahdol, Satna and Surguja districts of historic Baghelkhand region. All these presentations you can find at South Asia Maps JRD Education channel. Baghelkhand 12 are so physiographic regions, geographic regions. Why do we look at the physiographic maps compared to, you see, this is a two-dimensional administrative map, political map, a sort of three-dimensional physiographic map. Physiographic map means physical geography, physical content of a region habitat where you can see the plateaus, the plains, peneplains, mountains, gorges, so on. Here only two-dimensional, the political map showing the 5 districts, and here you will get a broader idea of the mountain ranges and so on. If you know this, you can get a deeper understanding of the historical, current economical, and political, all the aspects of a particular region. In the beginning, I have broadly identified 12 or so physiographic regions of Baghelkhand cultural zone. I will go over these 12 regions and I will take you 2 or 3 maps and try to pinpoint them. Excuse me. So, this is the Ganga river and this is the broader Son river. We have the Panna and Rewa Plateau region adjoining the Ganga Maidan. That is actually a peninsular four lands, it is called. Then Mirzapur Uplands. This is the adjoining United Provinces of Uttar Pradesh. Remember, when we say Baghelkhand, will not be just sticking to those. The administrative regions will be broadly covering the outer regions also, so that you will get a perspective. Mirzapur Uplands, and in Bihar they are called Rohtas Plateau, Rohtas Upland region, that is the Sasaram and all those areas. Then we have the river basins. River Satna is a tributary of river Tons, which is also called Tamas river, which also gains other river called Beehar or Beehar, spelled differently, and Belan river also joins in the border. Then we have two important divisions. This southern western part is the Bhanrer ranges, and this other part is the Kaimur ranges. These are Vindhyachal mountain ranges. They are given different names in different regions. Then we have the Narmada Trough is a very gorge, a bigger gorge. Then Sonpar is a very small gorge. Connecting them, between them is the Murwara Basin, also called Murwara Katni Basin, which is a major railway junction. Katni to Bina, that goes eventually to Guna and Jhansi and so on, and Hoshangabad Itat. So that basin. Then the Sidhi Agori region, also called Sonpar region. I will show the map, you will get a broader idea. I am reading now, Chopan Bridge. Then the Singrauli Duddhi Basin Rehand Dam, that is the Sonbhadra district also of former Mirzapur district. Then we have the Baghelkhand Plateau, mostly in the historic Surguja region. Then the south of Baghelkhand, we have the Devagar Hills and we have a Rihand Basin or a gorge region. Mylan Hills and adjoining region will be the Hazaribagh Plateau of Vanachal region, that is the Jharkhand, southern part of historic Bihar. Then the Pendra Basin, this is adjoins abuts the Bilaspur district region, Mahanadi Basin. Then the Bilaspur, Hasdev Basin, Surguja Basin. Then the Michael is the northern part of Satpuranchal Mountains, the Michael ranges, Hidges. Then adjoining we have Sohagpur Basin and Bansagar Dam. This is the historic Shahdol district. And Murwara Basin and we'll see Jukehi railway station. I think Jukehi, very important gap town, the railway station that connects the railway line coming from Prayag, Allahabad to Jabalpur. So all these toll regions, I have here given the broader map and you can also look at that. I will show you other maps so that you will get a broader perspective. Those things I have pointed out here. uh, when you are looking at the physiographic regions, you should have some understanding of the broader landmark so that you can orient yourself. So this is the Bansagar Dam built on Son River. That's a very important river. That is the tributary of Ganga Mata. This is the Rihand Dam. Excuse me. You can see the Kaimur ranges. South of Kaimur, this is the Son River Sonpar region, that is essentially Agori Fort region, that is Sidhi Agori, all those regions. Further south is the Singrauli and Duddhi Basin. Duddhi will be actually in the Sonbhadra district, that is the bigger, broader, historical Mirzapur district, southern part of south of Benares region. So then we have here, you see the plateau, that is the Baghelkhand plateau. So you can see the Son River here, and Son River comes from the Pendra region, that is actually now in Chhattisgarh, used to be in the Bilaspur bigger district, and the Pendra River basin. South of this Devagar Hills, this is the Sohagpur basin, this is the Ambikapur basin, that is the Surguja basin, the Mylan Hills. Here you won't see further east, Hazaribagh region. So we have the trough here, that is the Son trough, very narrow trough. You can see the bigger trough here. This is the trough. Other maps will be more clear. South of Jabalpur. So Narmada trough, Son trough. The adjoining region is the Katni or Murwara basin. This is the Kaimur ranges. This is the Bhanrer ranges. So Rewa plateau. This is the Ganga Maidan Tiontar regions. Excuse me. And this is the Son, this is the Bansagar reservoir. Southeast is the Banas river. East Banas, we can say this is the other Banas river, we can say West Banas, that joins near Rameshwaram the Chambal river that comes from the Dundar region and so on, and Mewar region and so on. So this is the Gopat river and this is the Rihand river. Kanhar river will be there, and North Koel river will be somewhere here. And Johila River Basin, you can see here very clearly. And this is the Chota Mahanadi. Bigger Mahanadi is in the Orissa, that's the Denkanal and Katakpuri, those regions. There is a Katni, small river, Katni River. And you can see them in the other map. So this map will see other broader explorations. Again, you have to orient yourself to start with. The orientation is very clear because here they have already shown the provincial state demarcations, that is somewhat much easier. But if you don't have, then this is the Kaimur ranges. South of Kaimur, this is the Gorge, that is the Gorge and Sonpar region. So that is the Churhat and Sidhi and Agori regions and so on. Further south is the Sidhi Singrauli Basin. Duddhi Basin, that is the Duddhi is in the, this is the Sonbhadra district, Mirzapur district. You can see the Rehan Dam there. So this is the Baghelkhand Plateau. You can see very clearly the plateau. That is the historic Korea princely state, Chang Bahar and so on. Now there is the Manendargarh district and Chimri and Bharatpur, those areas. South of this, the Devagar hilly region. So you can see Sohagpur basin here, that is the essentially eastern part of this is the coal mining area and Shahdol district. Now Surguja basin is the Ambikapur region. You can see the basin here. This is the mountains are the Milan mountains. This is the Hazaribagh mountains. Further south you can see very clearly Mahanadi basin. Bilaspur is the northern part. You can see Pendra basin from where actually the river Son comes through. You can see the from Pendra basin, the Son river coming here. You can see the dam there. Yeah. So this is the trough, that is the Son trough here. So this is the Murwara basin. You can see the Narmada trough, that is much broader south of Jabalpur. That is in the Mahakosal region. Then you can see the this region Satna and Rewa Plateau region. This is also part of Vindhyachal region. So you can see this is the Tiontar Tehsil that abuts into the Allahabad, the Prayag region. You can see the Mirzapur uplands. You can see Rohtas uplands here. So you can see the Narmada trough here, Son trough here, Murwara basin here, Bansagar dam there, and Rihand dam. You can see the Rihan dam here. This is the Son river. This is the Gangamata river. Son river. You can see the Son river coming here broadly. This is the Bansagar dam. This is the plateau, the Rewa Satna plateau. This is the Tiontar plains region. The Mirzapur plateau and Sonpar plateau, sorry, Rohtas plateau here. You can see that when they build the railway line, I have explained it clearly. You can look in the railway playlist. Howrah Allahabad railway line was built that went to Katni Jabalpur from Allahabad, that is in the plains, that is the in the far reaches of the lower Doab, that is the Ganga Yamuna Doab. It comes through Satna, then goes to the small gap town, Jukehi. I will show you in the other map. Then goes to Katna, that's also called Murwara, then Jabalpur. Excuse me. Hoshangabad, then that region finally to Khandwa, and that's the Nimad region, and eventually Bhusawal Junction, Manmad, and Bombay. You can see that Jukesi here. Where is the Jukesi Gorge town? We can see the Jukesi Gorge town. It will be here near Katni, east of Katni, maybe 10-15 kilometers in that area. I have just shown the map here. I have shown the Jukesi. You have to find the Katni first. This is the Bansagar Dam. So Katni, yeah, Katni. I have put here Jukesi. You can see the Jukesi. Jukehi, sorry, because I mispronounced it. It's a Katni, near Katni. So this is the railway track coming from the Maihar, then Satna, and Satna is a railway station. Used to connect previously to Rewa. That's the railhead for Rewa. Now they have built the more railway line. So finally it comes the Allahabad, the Prayag region, Prayag Tirtharaj, sacred site where the three rivers meet. You can see that. So essentially, that's what we discuss in the next part 4. We'll take a subsection because we discussed around about 12 or so. We'll take 4 or 5 each time. We'll explore little more about the Baghelkhand physiographic regions part A. This is the overview of that. So that's what we discussed today. Interesting, the 12 physiographic regions of Baghelkhand. Hope this will give you a broader and a deeper understanding of the region. I will see you in the next presentation. Your presenter, Dr. J. Reddy, South Asia Maps Education Channel.